Good afternoon. Today is May 22nd. The time is 19:10 p.m. in New York. We're looking at S&P 500. Basically, let's just check Tesla. Let's just check Tesla. Meta. Today is Monday, so Tesla's option probably like very expensive, no doubt about it. Yes, you see that they are expensive. So Meta is looking good, but doesn't look like a good AMD. Sorry, AMD, and it's okay. Not that good, but it's good. Getting turn around basically. TQQQ, Microsoft, QQ, SPY, Nvidia, okay, and Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, looking good as well. So let's just trade. Nvidia's options are too expensive, guys. Okay, no, let's not. Those are gold options. No, those are Nvidia's options. They're too expensive. I'm probably going to make a technical analysis video after this, or I'm going to place it before that, because I did not make it for a long period of time. But just to let you guys know, probably today or maybe tomorrow. Let's see. But I'm not trading these days. I'm trading just. I'm not recording. I am trading, but I'm not recording. That's what it is. So again, this is a light speed broker. Anyway, guys, trading is risky. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take advice from. Whatever I do in this video is very typical. They are like only like 2 or 3% makes money. So I do calculate that part also, and I can say that I can beat this market, no doubt, but I cannot promise that you can beat that market. My results are very typical. So please do your own research before you take a trade. Whatever I say in this video is for the education purpose only. So let's go. Looking at SPY, and these are all 0 DTE options. And I've already selected my option so far. Basically it's 419 calls, and let's go. Let's just see what we can do for today. There you go, it just jumped up. Okay, I'm holding almost like 100 call options on SPY. 100 call options on SPY, and they're like 68 cents each. That's what it cost me, because I'm buying it everything for the ask price, selling everything at the bid price. So the goal is to make again like $1,000 or like maybe $2,000. I'm kind of losing at this moment in time. $542. Okay, I'm buying it more again because it's showing me very good strength, and I hope this is a 1-minute chart. Yes, it is. Just want to confirm before it goes somewhere else, All right, and I have bought 180 call options at this moment in time. So far I'm up $400 in a split second. I hope you guys saw that I lost that $400 and became like $40 in a split second. This is how fast trading it is. So I'm losing $500 at this point. I'm holding 255 call options at this point. Holding 300. I don't want to buy more because those option will not going to get executed. Also, when I'm trying to sell it, because like 300 is like a lot, I'm like almost moving that option, no doubt about it. There should be enough. There should be enough buyers at the other side of the game also. I've seen a lot of people, they are saying like it's okay, the market doesn't give you opportunities, okay to sit with the cash. Have you guys seen that part? I'm sitting with the cash. It's all crap. I'm not sitting with the cash. I'm getting into the market, making my money, and going on my way. That's what it is. Okay. Just to let you guys know, I'm not sitting with the cash. There are a lot of things I have seen on the YouTube. They are saying like it's okay if the market doesn't give you opportunity. You know, it's okay to sit with the cash. No, my friend. Okay, it's not okay. When I get in, get out, made my money, off for my day. That's what it is. So please, is who do you listen to? It's very very important. Is he have that enough experience about the market? That's what the question you need to ask. It's not like I'm just teaching you guys. I'm doing it at the same time. I'm losing at present. I'm losing $1,300. Okay, $1,300, and I don't like this move. The next candlestick has to go up. If it doesn't go up, then it will go and create some type of a problem, and probably I might lose. But I know how to gain my money back. You guys saw that every single time. Even if I lose my confidence, I'm going back to the basic, like making only $500. Just to let you guys know, you know, that's how I build up my confidence. Okay, it's going in a sideways direction. I don't like sideways direction anyway. I have added some more at this point, and I don't like sideways directions. The slide, I hate the slide because it's like slowly accumulating. But yes, that's right. At the same time, it will go to shoot up so high, your account will be exploding it, no doubt. That's what happens also when you talk about the slide. All right, guys, looking good to me. Looking good. Looking good. I'm going to add up more at this point. There you go. I want to make a little bit more money. I can exit. I should have. I want to make a little bit more money, no doubt, because that was still good money, no doubt. But you know, I want to make it. Holding altogether, I'm holding 500 options, call options. 500 call options. Someone is trying to sell it, but it's not someone is trying to sell it, but it's just trying to accumulate the downside. That's what it is. Just trying to accumulate the downside of it. I'm just watching, guys, watching, not selling anything. I'm not buying either, just watching it. It's just accumulating again. Just okay, I'm gonna add it some more. If it drops, I'm going to sell half of it, but that's how it should be done, because in order to control my risk from the downside. Okay, it is trying to show up good move, but it's still kind of accumulating, guys. It will going to shoot up, no doubt. I will going to add up a little bit more at this point. I have another 100 call options on SPY. There you go. And this move should be able to make me very good money. Come on, move up, 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 up. Come on, move up. I'm already up $1,500. I can just close this window. I mean, like exit it and move on to my day. But what am I trying to do is like a little bit more money. Come on, move up, move up, move up. And I can see that it wants to move up, no doubt about it. I want to see that I want to make like $2,000. I want to make like $2,000. Come on, give me that break. 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 Yes, come on, give me that break. Come on, give me that break. It's not trying to give me that break, guys. It's not trying to give me that break. Come on, move up, please move up. Give me that break. Okay, if it doesn't move up anymore, I will go and sell this point. If it doesn't move up anymore, I will go and sell it at this point. But I want it to move up. There you go, $3,000, up $3,000, up $3,000, sold it. So this is how it was been done. This is my way of trading, and 1,200 options were traded at one point. Everything was sold at one shot, because like I said, if it's not moving up, it might come down, and that's what exactly is probably going to happen. Because there is someone who's selling it slowly. That's what I can say. He's trying to move out of his positions. I can watch those moves, no doubt, and I can feel them also. I mean, like I feel the moves. I don't feel anything, but what I mean is I feel those moves. The way it is moving. So a lot of people, they say like I have like a perfect entering and executing the positions. It's not about perfect entering and executing it. It's like managing it. That's the point. Okay, just to correct you guys, it's not like entering my entering is like good and your entering is bad. No, not really. Your entering can be also good, but you don't know how to manage it. That's what I can tell you. Okay, you don't know how to manage it. So that's what I'm doing it, and I know how exactly to manage it, because when I saw it was like jumped up, and I sold it because I knew it was not moving that much higher either. So that's the reason I sold it. It's not because of like my execution was perfect. Okay, it's like I knew when to sell it. That's what it is. If you don't know how to spot those things, you should not trade. That's what I can tell you. You should not trade, because that will going to make you lose money. Again, that will going to make you lose money. So please, again guys, this video is made for education purpose only. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take advice from. Please be careful if you're trading. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit a like button, please. I really appreciate when you do that. It helps the channel to grow. At the same time, it will YouTube will able to show other people, if this video is like helpful for someone, they can use it. As long as you guys can use it and make some money, I'm happy. That's what it is. I'm happy. Just all right guys, don't want to drag this video anymore. I want to close this window. So please be in peace and stay blessed. I hope you guys know peace is more important. If you don't have a peace, you're not able to trade. So stay in peace, you'll be able to trade. The blessing will go to follow. Keep a calm mind, don't get distracted. All right guys, bye.